Right, okay, let's go. I feel it in my fingers.
In my fingers.
I feel it in my toes.
Feel it in my toes, yeah.
Love is all around.
Check your phone.
Yeah, is my camera going?
It is, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
That was so much fun. Nothing yet. Let's carry on. It's only 11 or 12:28.
Oh, we said 12:30?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you do if after arranging to ride with a friend, your friend arrives and tells you that out of the blue, on his way over, his son, his very close son, I might add, rang and announced that he and his partner have made a spur-of-the-moment decision to get married today in 2 hours, and would you please be a witness? And then adds, I'll phone to tell you when and where. Bye! I mean, what? But I'm going for a ride. Off the grid. There's no signal in the bush. Do you chuck the ride? Or, well, that's the story of this video.
Stalled.
Oh, okay. You should probably check the phone. It's 12:30 now.
How do you know?
I know.
How do you know these things? To me, we can probably ride for another 20 minutes.
And I'm sure you've been here too, whether it be a wedding or a meal out or another social date with family. So bear with me as we illustrate how to juggle all the parameters involved in maximizing time for enduro fun and maintaining contact with the outside world in order to support family in their pursuits as well. I mean, this could be worth brownie points, and every motorcyclist needs those, don't they? So no pressure.
Is that down there?
Oh, this is my way to the promised land, but we've lost it.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's easy, but over there they've dug huge ditches and dropped like 10-foot high logs going across.
Hang on.
Don't lose him. Bring him back alive, on time and not too dirty. As I'm sure you know, it doesn't look good for the groom's father to be late, dirty and bleeding at his son's wedding. And if you think Frisky Fisky is going to leave anything in the bank, then you're mistaken. The boy's a racer, and he's on his 450. He's letting it all hang out. And if you think I'm leading him on, you're mistaken. He doesn't really know his way out here, but he's up mid-chuff all the time. I feel obligated to keep the pace up. And his bike keeps stalling, and I'm wondering if we're going to get stuck out here. And that's going to be Uncle BlueMarbleRider's fault.
Oh. Doesn't want to stay running very much.
I replaced a couple of intakes.
Did you? Oh yeah. Oh.
And in between landing the humongous trout and some quadders arriving and us getting down to some nice conversations, we had completely forgotten to check our phones, which, it turned out, wouldn't make a blind bit of difference because there was no cell signal. Oh my God. So while time, common sense and, yes, cell signals had all managed to evade us, we had a quandary. Ride home, or quicker, get to the highest spot that I could find and see if we could get a cell signal to establish if we were a little naughty, excommunicated, or still able to salvage a brownie point or two.
You should get a signal here.
Yeah, she really wants to stall.
Yeah, I wonder if you just need to run some clean gas through her.
It's all fresh.
Maybe you need the jet stewing, or... Probably. It sounds like it runs good on choke.
Let's go back to your house so I can go to Eric's wedding.
Okay, sounds good.
So, shock, horror, the wedding was a go, and it was squeaky bum time. Ordinarily, we were half an hour from my house. Ordinarily. Today, due to our ongoing lack of both time management skills and good common sense, we simply had to be 15 minutes away. Geographer David Harvey postulated a theory in 1989 called time compression. It's a very complicated Einsteinian theory, completely unfathomable. I postulate an alternative explanation for time compression here, now. One which motorcyclists the world over understand completely. Oh, and congratulations, Eric and Amanda. It was all in the bag, I swear.
Once again, thanks for watching, everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.